Importance of sociology. Though sociology is the youngest science among all the social sciences, its uses are universal. Sociology studies human society scientifically. Sociology constructs a systematic body of knowledge of human society with its scientific study. This aids progress in other fields of human life. Supplements the personality development. Human being is mainly a social being who is often expected to get adjusted to the changing nature of society. By creating holistic understanding of social structure, growth and changes and individual responsibilities, sociology facilitates holistic personality development. Understanding social processes. Sociology aids the proper understanding of social processes by studying the religion, traditions, culture, social rules and regulations, values and ideals of other various societies. Sociology is helpful in understanding the interrelationship of various social institutions. It aids in understanding social problems and their solutions. Every society suffers from its own social problems. Our society is facing problems like crime, juvenile crime, communal clashes, alcoholism, hunger, malnutrition, caste based discrimination, unemployment, gambling, prostitution, child labor, inequality, and various other problems. A scientific study of these problems provide better insights which aids in scientific solutions. Sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs. By studying human society scientifically, sociology aids the effective implementation of development programs. The interrelationship between sociology and other social sciences. Sociology is the youngest among all the social sciences. It has its own field of study and has interrelationship with other social sciences as well. Relationship between sociology and political science. There is a close relationship between sociology and political science. Political science studies the interactions between political institutions, political life of human beings, and political institutions of human society. Sociology studies the various social institutions like social groups and social institutions that function within the political structure. Relationship between sociology and history. Sociology and history are interrelated. History is the recreation of the life of a past society. Sociology is the recreation of contemporary society. Sociology supports historians by providing scientific knowledge of various social institutions and their roles and functions. Relationship between sociology and anthropology. The relationship between sociology and anthropology are widely recognized. The culture and social path of human beings and its history is studied by anthropology. Sociology grows independently by studying the social life holistically. It provides objective analysis of the various social institutions. Relationship between sociology and psychology. Sociology and psychology are complementary to each other. Psychology studies the behavioral aspects of human beings from psychological perspectives. Sociology seeks to study the social behavior, social interactions, and functions of social institutions. Relationship between sociology and economics. Economics studies the economical activities of human beings. Sociology seeks to understand the interaction between economical and social activities of human beings. It also probes how human behavior forms the economic activities. In nutshell, while analyzing the social behavior, sociology interacts with other social sciences in its own way. G.S. Gruy, 1893 to 1948. His full name is Govinda Sadashiva Gruy. He was born on December 12th in the year 1893 at Malvan of Maharashtra. Gruy played an important role in the establishment of departments of sociology in the Indian universities. He completed his college education at Bombay University. After receiving his PhD doctorate from Cambridge University, London, Gruy returned to India and started his teaching career at the Department of Sociology at Bombay University, which he founded. Books such as Caste and Race in India in the year 1932, Scheduled Tribes 1943, Indian Saints in 1953, are many other books are written by him. M.N. Srinivas 1916 to 1999. M.N. Srinivas is the internationally renowned Indian sociologist. He popularized the field based sociological studies in India. While he was studying at Stanford University, his field study notes were lost in arson due to agitation of the students. Based on his memory of the fieldwork done, he wrote A Remembered Village in the 1976. This has received universal acclaim and has been republished by many times. Under the guidance of his teacher, Radcliffe Brown, he wrote a book titled The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India in the year 1952. His full name was Mysuru Narasimhachar Srinivas and he was born to Narasimhachar and Rukmini on November 16, 1916 at Mysore. He received MA, LLB and PhD doctorate from Bombay University. He also earned D. Lit from Oxford University. He worked as professor at Delhi. His major contributions are The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India in 1952, Indian Villages, Social Change in Modern India 1966, Remembered Village in 1976.